applications of Python. What are the applications? Are many more. Are not this the knowledge of the application is not very short. The applications are not only 10. There are so many applications. But some selected applications for our curriculum, for our syllabi, we must know some important applications, and that's why I put some important applications before you of the Python. Python is known for its general purpose nature that applies it to every domain of software development. The Dragon can be used in any area of development. Here we are specifying the application area where the Python can be applied. Web applications. What today all of you know that what are the types of application. In your software engineering, there is the very first chapter in which there are the applications of software. So these are the applications of software. But these are not general purpose. These are the applications of Python, and Python is the software. And that's why before we go through applications of Python, all of you must know the applications of software. Is 100% true. But I am taking the overview of the applications of software first. Don't go through the direct applications of Python. All of you know that there are some common applications of software. Which applications you know? The applications of software. Which applications you know? All of you know that for what purpose we are writing softwares. What are the applications? Means what? Means what? Very first is there, that is the general purpose. General purpose, like that. What is the general purpose? All of you know that when you see the softwares are available generally, means what? You know that there are the softwares in shopping malls. Shopping malls, there are the software. In railways, there are the software. In medical stores, there are the softwares. Like that. In library, there are the software. In hospital, there are the software. Like that. All these are general purpose softwares. And it is not compulsory that you must define the medical store software in Java only. Like that. It is not necessary. You can develop that software in any programming paradigm. But if you use Python for developing this software, it becomes very easy for you. Because as per the need of Python, we discussed the libraries in the Python are robust. Large number of libraries are available, and you does not create any difficulty when you write or develop the applications in Python. So second application is there. There is the database. When you want to manage any type of a very large databases, you can write the database application. In Python you can write this one. Third one is there, that is web-based. Web-based applications are there. Nowadays, what we are doing, all of you taken the admissions through online admission software, which is made by our college, which is developed by our college. It is not material in which software that admission system is developed. 100% is not developed in Python. But as per the view of programmer, as per the interest of programmer can choose or select the platform through which we can develop the software. And our admission system software is developed in .NET application. That is another thing. But whenever we go through this database application, web-based application, next application is there, that is some AI applications are there, artificial intelligence applications are there. Fifth one is there, embedded systems are there. What is the meaning of embedded? All of you know that what is embedded system. Nowadays, everybody knows that how the kitchens are works, how our kitchens are work nowadays. A small ovens are available in our kitchen, and every oven is controlled by what? Every oven is controlled by microprocessor, and that's why there is the automation. And what is the microprocessor? Every oven is controlled by microprocessor, means what? Oven is controlled by some embedded system, and that system controls your oven. So in this fashion, in aeroplane, there is the embedded system, there is the computerized control, and that control can be control your aeroplane, and that is known as embedded system. Correct? All of you know that. So these applications that I discussed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and many more applications are there in softwares. In software engineering's first chapter, the teacher will discuss with you which are the applications of software. But our focus is not on the applications of software, but our focus is on the applications of Python. Correct? Our focus is on the applications of Python. And which are the applications of Python? Applications of Python. Like that. So very first is there, that is the web application. Web application. Nowadays, this is the very fast and popular way to develop software. Our admission system is the web application, because this is online. Because whatever you want to see, you can see by entering the name of website www.basponcollege.org. That is the web application. And in Python, you can develop the websites, you can develop web applications in very simpler way. There are the medium through which you can develop. So HTML is there, XML is there, JSON is there, like that. Number of programming features, number of programming paradigms can support when we write web application. All of you know that HTML, all of you know that XML is integrated with Python. All of you know that JSON, JavaScript object notation. Object notation through which we can develop the application. Desktop GUI application. Second one is there, desktop GUI application, like that. What is GUI? Graphical user interface is the GUI. Correct? Graphical user interface is the GUI. And you can develop the applications of GUI. There are the interfaces of Pythons through widgets, KV, PYQ. PYQT is there. PYQT, WX, KV. These are the tools which can support. Next one is software development. Control management is there, testing paradigms are there, you can develop software. Scientific and numeric type of applications you can develop. So SciPy, Pandas, IPython, SciPy is the group of packages of engineering, sciences and mathematics. SciPy is there, like that, SciPy. SciPy is there, which is used for engineering types of applications, which can support to the Python program paradigms. Next one is there, that is the business application software is there. ERP is one of the important applications nowadays, enterprise resource planning. And in that such a type of softwares you can develop through Python by using ERP type of softwares. Then console based applications you can design by using IPython. IPython is one of the integrated tool which can use or develop the Pythons. Audio or video based applications, audio and video based applications are there. C Play can support for that. C Play can support for Python. Audio and video type of applications you can write. 3D applications you can write. Enterprise applications you can write by using Triton and Pekalo. Triton is one of the integration tool. Triton is there and Pekalo is there. Pekalo is there through which we can develop the applications. Then image processing we can perform through Python, and the very popular tool is there, VPython. So these type of softwares you can design with Python. So need, features and applications of Python. And do you clear, all of you clear all these concepts? Yes? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very much. Thank you very much. Now, whatever the topics we discussed from last lecture and today's lecture, I will send all the notes of these topics up to the applications of Python through Google Classroom. Correct? All you must collect these notes, and then after completion of the first chapter, I will give some questions. I will give some questions or assignments to you. I request all of you to timely complete that assignments and whatever the questions are there which are for you, and in this fashion. So next, when we try to develop or when we try to work with Python, how can we work with Python? So the next topic is there of our syllabus, installing Python. So it is very easy to install Python, but I will take your real installation process through Zoom, and you will try for your desktop or your laptop, and you can install Python. So in the next lecture we will discuss how to install Python. Is very important for you. Not every topic is not important on the base of exam. Everybody, when we cover the topic how to install Python, everybody can able to install Python easily, because nowadays every IT company is calling you as a basis from work from home, and that's why at that time if you say them that I cannot able to install Python, I have no any knowledge about how to install Python, then this is a very bad job, and that's why it is not very difficult. But whenever you does not try, then it is very difficult for you. And in the next lecture we will see how to install Python. Thank you. आपलं दुसरं लेक्चर लगेच सुरू होईल. त्याचा पासवर्ड, सॉरी, त्याचा कोड वेगळा आहे, फक्त पासवर्ड BHB123 आहे. आलं ना लक्षात सगळ्यांना? हॅलो,
हो सर.
त्याचाही पासवर्ड BHB123 आहे, फक्त मीटिंग कोड वेगळा आहे. आता मी ही मीटिंग एक्झिट करतोय. आपण लगेच IT चे मुलं राहणार आहेत आपल्याबरोबर, आपण त्याला येऊ. ओके.